This is kind of a last video before I head overseas. I'm leaving the great state of Colorado. Next week I am flying to London, and towards the end of next week I will meet up with my friend Graham, and we're going up to Getz. Maybe you'll want to catch up with us there. A couple of things before I go. I'm going to do a little running video here. But one of the things I wanted to talk about is this gallery. I've been offered quite a good deal from the manufacturer of these things. Not for me, but for you. Something to pass on to you. It's a 10% discount on a new airbrush from these folks. Very kind folks. I think their airbrush is good. It's not as expensive as for instance my Eclipse that I'm so fond of, but it's almost as good, I would say. Maybe it's just as good. I'm not really a very good judge of it, but if you want one, you can get one at a great price right now, and the link is in the description. And I wish you all the best with it. That's not really the purpose of my video. The main purpose of my video is to say I'll be at Getz. I hope to see you there. In Maynard Keynes, is it? Is that how you pronounce it? Not sure. You know, I study the culture, but I don't really know it intimately. In the meantime, let's run a few trains, and I'll talk to you on the way out. And if you like the video, hey, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, how about subscribing? Okay, one of the things I thought I'd mention in this video is I have added some of these multi-mouse units to my layout. Actually, I've added one multi-mouse and I have 3 stations. You just unplug them. It's a wire. It's a Roku product, and it's very compatible with the Z21. The only problem I ran into with them was that you have to have it's 6 wire. I believe it's 6. Before I make the mistake, let me take a look and see. Yeah, 6 wire. House phones in the U.S. are 4 wires. Commercial phone sets have a tendency to be 6 wires. So you have to get commercial wire and fixtures to install one of these things on your layout. But you know, I think it's great. You can add a logo to it, and the thing that I was curious about was having a dial to control the speed, you know, forwards and reverse. Back in the old analog days, of course, I had that, but that's been a while. Certainly, Farland has always been digital, DCC. And I was just curious what one of these would be like. To be honest, I sort of thought it was going to be wireless, but it's not. It's wired. It wasn't a big problem hooking it up, except for finding the right commercial grade fixtures or plugs, and making sure that I was buying 6 conductor wire with 6 conductor fittings. I don't know what the little plugs are called, but they're phone plugs, but they have 6 wires instead of 4. So let's run some trains. So if you get the chance, come on over and I'll see you at the Great Electric Train Show in Maynard, Keynes. Hope to see you. Bye for now.